Hey everyone, so it's March 12th, 2026. We're just entering pre-market and I'm already seeing some interesting price action on gold. As always, gold continues to impress with its volatility. And I can spot a little anomaly forming here. Let me highlight it right around this area. It looks like someone is getting stopped out, a local stop hunt probably. And I can see the orders actually got filled there. BPS shows that. I almost forgot. Actually, there's a bunch of economic data coming out in a few minutes, like a whole flurry of reports could shake things up a bit. Still worth keeping an eye on. Anyway, back to the setup. So if this is a micro stress event, a stop run, then we could see a bounce to the upside. A possible retrace, that seems like the most likely scenario from here, given that stops were triggered. All right, so I'm leaning towards a long position on this bounce. I'm going to place a limit order to buy right here. Let's say around this area. I doubt they'll test the wicks too much. There are some clusters here, so I'll put it just below those tails. All right, that's the plan. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so my long just got filled at 51754. Now we're in the trade. We're going to walk this zone I mentioned earlier. By the way, I still haven't figured out if the labor and the construction data actually came out. It all seemed to pass by unnoticed. Anyway, no impact. Now, risk management. I'm placing my stop loss right here below those clusters we saw earlier. That gives the trade some room, as for the target. Well, there was a minor abnormality up here. I'll need to watch how price reacts when we approach that area. Might consider taking partial profits. As they're pretty neutral. Let me watch the next. All right, price is grinding higher. Slow. Indicators are still neutral. I'm watching the reaction near the 5190 zone. Honestly, this kind of calm, steady climb is actually reducing my confidence in further upside. It feels like it lacks momentum, Maybe I should move my stop loss to break even or a bit higher to lock in some safety. I'll think about it for now, just observing. Okay, things are getting interesting. So my limit order isn't getting filled anymore. They don't want to take my offer. Now look here, my indicator is starting to push outside its normal range. In this local resistance zone, another potential level is forming. Of course, it could end up acting as support if we pull back, but what bothers me is the thin liquidity underneath. It looks empty, like really empty. That usually means if sellers step in, price could drop quickly. So I'm going to move my stop loss up just under this new zone. We'll keep watching. Hopefully, we'll make something on this trade.
Well, that didn't go as planned. My position just got stopped out at 583.3. Price just refuses to go higher for now. What I'm seeing is that on the way down, limit orders are getting eaten up aggressively. These sellers seem determined to push lower. It looks like they're building momentum. If my indicators confirm a bearish shift, I might consider placing a limit order for a short from this zone. Let me watch the next.
Okay, so I didn't manage to get that short. Price just plummeted straight down. And I couldn't get in at market in time. So let's assess. We've broken down through that zone where my long was originally triggered. That wasn't a fake stop loss. I mean, as sellers are serious, they're pressing lower. Look at this area. They've established a resistance level right here, and there's an anomaly in that region. I'm just going to keep observing. Maybe something will develop. All right, price has moved lower and now it's bouncing back. Looks like shorts got covered around the 550 area. And now we're retracing back to that anomaly level. Let's mark a potential stop loss. I'll decide on a target later. For now, just watching. Okay, price is lower again, but it's choppy, lots of noise. There's something here. They don't want to take my short. I think I'll step away for a bit and come back when something clearer develops. All right, I'm back. So my limit order finally got filled. I've taken partial profits. And moved my stop loss to just above the last zone's high, honestly. I'm not sure where to take full profit. Nothing points to a reversal. It seems like the downtrend could continue, but I really don't have a clear exit signal. I'll just close the rest at market overall. Not a bad result. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.